My name is Timothy Mike Hales. I go by Mike. I have been a hairdresser for 30 years. I've worked 6 days a week for many years. I started having lower back pain in the end of October. I had went to a hospital to see if it was just medication, a shot maybe, and I did that, and then after a week the pain did not go away, and so a friend of mine referred me to a doctor that was a pain management doctor, and I went and saw him, and he put me on stronger medication than the first ambulance or the first emergency person did. And that helped a little bit, not a lot. And so then it got worse, the pain got worse, and I then went to another ER where the doctor was affiliated from, and was there. And then the very next morning, they sent me home, and the very next morning, I was in an ambulance. So they kept me in the hospital, and they referred me to a doctor to have surgery, because they said that I had to have surgery. It had to be surgery. So I went to this doctor, but the doctor couldn't get me in for a very long time. And it was going to be kind of difficult, it sounded. So I called a client of mine that I've been doing for many years. And she knew Dr. Courtney and referred me to Dr. Courtney because a friend of mine wanted me to have a second opinion. So during my procedure, from beginning and end, they were very nice, very good. They answered questions because, I was fearful. I'd never had surgery a day in my life. And so they answered every question. I felt very comfortable. They were very nice. There was no problems. They answered every question. They let me know what was going on. Dr. Courtney showed me exactly where he was operating on me, what was happening, why it happened, and all of that. So it was easy to not worry about what was going to happen to me. The surgery went very well. It was day surgery. Also, everything was on time. Courtney I never waited. I had surgery the first thing in the morning of a morning. I got right in. I went home a couple of hours after that first day. So being a hairdresser for 30 years, I'm on my feet all day, every day, 6 days a week. And I had never had surgery before. I was scared. I had never had that kind of pain before, and it just came out of nowhere. I didn't even have any pain prior to that. And so I was worried, because I have over 300 clients. I work 6 days a week, and I was fearful about my clients, about my work, getting everyone done, getting everyone in. And so it was really awesome that you could have surgery that you have to have, getting your surgery done and being able to go back to work as fast as I did. I mean, everyone was shocked that I was good so fast, and I had my same energy so fast, and everything was good. It's actually miraculous, really, because I'd never had pain like that before, and then all of a sudden you have surgery and it feels like I've never had pain before. I have to tell myself that it really happened. I am very appreciative, very thankful for Dr. Courtney for what he did for me. I've never had pain like that before, It's a blessing that I am where I am today with the pain that I had. It's amazing that I found him and had surgery, and now I feel 100% back to my normal. 100%. Thank you, Dr. Courtney.